Chandan from Damara.
Chandan.
Yes.
Thank you.
Chandan Kumar Karna.
Yes.
The other category.
Another Hiva, Bhushan, Ravindra sir.
From which property, sir?
McDonald's.
So you.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the seminar on fire marshal training. As a tradition of Indian culture, we'll begin the training with the lighting of the lamp, for which I request Mr. Gurbakh Singh Kohli, President HIWI, Mr. Gurbir Bedi, Chairman, Mr. Hemant Parab, Mr. Anil Parab, Mr. D.S. Patil, and Mr. V.N. Sangle to please come on stage. Thank you. Friends, good morning once again. My name is Savio Fernandez, and I'm your admin and liaison manager for the Western region. Our association extends a warm welcome to one and all at this very important seminar, that's on fire seminar on fire marshal. Today, your association is in its 69th year, and it represents the reputed international and national chain of hotels or restaurants in Western India, comprising the states of Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Goa, and the Union Territories of Daman and Silvassa. Your association has always been in the forefront to represent on topics of the current interest, not only with the government, but also amongst the membership fraternity of over 1,500 members. The activities of the association includes organizing of regional conventions, business seminars, and scholarship to the deserving students, and continued dialogues with the government on the topics pertaining to the hospitality and tourism sector. Today we have gathered here for an important seminar, that's fire marshal training, that is going to be conducted under the guidance of our CFO. Just to take it forward, I request our President, Mr. Gurbakh Singh Kohli, to please come on stage and to say a few words on it.
Good morning, everybody. This is an overwhelming attendance. Thank you for coming. I'll start by thanking the fire department and dignitaries on the dais, Mr. Parab, Mr. Sangle, and all the other dignitaries on the dais. This is a very important association today. We all know the importance of safety, but somehow we only attribute it to safety of the guest. What we forget is that we ourselves are present in the premises, and safety does not only permeate to the guest, but also should include our own safety as well as safety of the staff. We had talks with the fire department, and thank you very much, sir, Mr. Parab and the CFO, sir, who could not be here, but he will be coming here. Thank you for agreeing to have this association with us. And our main aim was when we approached the department, we said we'll have it at another place, a bigger place. But sir said no, we must have it at the fire headquarters itself, because that does take in a lot of serious thought, which I agree absolutely. Seeing the numbers today is just the first of our such fire training, fire marshal training exercise or seminar, and we will not stop till each and every member of ours, and also if anybody else wants to come who are not our members, gets fully trained, because safety, security, especially in the fire, has to be adhered to and followed to. And who better than the department to impart this training? So thank you once again, sir. With this, I'll not take much time, because we'd like to start our seminar also. And thank you very much once again. Thank you all of you and members of the press for coming here. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I would like to introduce you a very important personality, Mr. Hemant Parab, who is the Deputy Chief Fire Officer. He is looking after the administration of Mumbai Fire Brigade. He is the Deputy Chief Fire Officer, Mumbai, and looking after RCCII, and he's been awarded the President Medal for the gallantry. Please welcome him.
Thank you. Good morning, all, and thank you for introduction also. It is RCC, not I. This is Regional Command Center 1. I welcome you all on behalf of Mumbai Fire Brigade. It is really good initiative by your restaurant, your association. We had earlier one also, but this is good that it is very difficult for us to go to each and every person. But you are the person who are available over there when the things go wrong. So the message, if it goes to you, it will be easier for us to reach to the people. Now, when safety comes, it has to be started from my own. If I keep myself safe, I will be able to keep others also safe. So it starts with us. And you are in a business where safety has to be there, and it has to be taken care by each and every person working over there. It may not be a owner, it may be a sweeper, it may be a watchman, whoever is available there, he has to take the proper precaution to see that the things, nothing goes wrong over there. Because what we have seen is that the minor things, even if defective electricity, short spark also can lead to a major one. We have seen it, we are experiencing it. The example after which the things has started, or where the things has gone wrong after this, it is a bad patch to Mumbai also. The things which had happened in the Kamla mill. The fire had started, just the fire they are using to light up the hookahs. It was a small minor thing, it was not big, just a minor thing. This thing should not have been done over there. But if they are taking proper precaution, nothing can go wrong. It is 100% sure that nothing can go wrong if we take proper precaution. So what they have done, they have put the fire and they have put fan also. So what has happened due to that? Due to that fanning effect, the fire, the burning embers, it fall on the combustible material, and then it went off, and then nothing could control, and the fire was only for 10-15 minutes. It was easy for us to extinguish the fire, but the result which that fire has given, it was a drastic, and we all know what has happened after that. So every minor thing has to be taken care of to see that nothing goes wrong in my own institution. Now the basic importance of this session is that the message has to be gone to each and every person. Now you are representing your organization. Now you are representing organization means we are seeing that we are reaching to your organization. Now it will be your duty to take these information to your subordinates, your colleagues, and your friends. And the things what will be showing you, it will not be only helpful in your own organization. Same will be applicable at residence also where we are staying. So it is very important to have the safety. Nowadays fires are happening, many places fires are happening. So if we are able to control it, if we are able to extinguish there and there only, the result will not be that big. Things are happening. It's not now modernization is there, so many equipments are coming. We want to have ACs, we want to have electrical things. So these things are there. These things will be there in future also. But only thing is that LP gas has to be used, PNG also has to be used. Without this, we cannot give whatever we want to prepare. Now you are in the hotel industry. All these things are required to you. If you are having these facilities, then only you will be able to serve to the customers. So these things will be there. The only proper care what we have to see that nothing goes wrong with that. Now LPG, it is not that harmful. Whenever you find leakage, you will have a certain smell. It is a typical smell. You will come to know that leakage is there. PNG, leakage is there. That means you have to take care. It will not go to that extent that it will explode, it will catch fire. But only precaution is that what you have to do, simple things. When you find such things, just switch off the things, switch off the main wall, open the windows, carry your cylinder to the open places. Nothing will wrong. It is 100% sure that nothing will go wrong if we take these smaller and minor things in your mind, and if you act accordingly, nothing will go wrong. Electrical circuit, electrical short circuit. You should not keep anything below that. Spark will occur. When you have a load more than what actually is to be applied, if more load is, spark will happen. If you are storing something below that, then things go wrong, and where it spark falls, and then combustible material, cloth, paper, whatever lying over there, it catches fire, and then it spreads further. If spark occurs and it falls on the flooring, nothing will go wrong. After some time, it will stop its own. But things, if you have kept storage in a bad way, if housekeeping is not in a good way, things will 100% go wrong. So these things are in our hand. If we take proper care, 100% sure, nothing will happen, nothing will be beyond our control. So my good wishes are with you. Our fire brigade are also with you. Only thing is that you also have to take a certain care, certain precaution has to be taken to avoid such things. And thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your guidance and a beautiful insight. I now call upon Mr. D.S. Patil to begin with the session, please. Mr. Patil. Thank you. And will please join us. Thank you.
Thank you. Good morning, everybody. On behalf of Mumbai Fire Brigade, I welcome you on this interactive session, training session, rather we can say, for the fire marshals in the hotel industries. Today I'm going to give some introduction regarding the training sessions. Our first session will be comprising of classroom lectures about the basic firefighting and fire knowledge. And then we will divide this gathering in the 2 groups, or rather 4 groups, as convenient for the practical sessions. The second session will be for the practical in the ground, where we actually use the first aid firefighting extinguishers. How to use that? That will be under the supervision of our trainers, Mr. D.M. Patil, he is the senior station officer, Mr. V.N. Sangre, he is also senior station officer and looking after the training centers of the Mumbai Fire Brigade. So with the prior permission of all our dignitaries, I call upon Mr. D.M. Patil regarding the theories, and we'll start our first session here. Please, Mr. D.M. Patil.
Thank you, sir. So we will start with our presentation. It is a basic, so we should know the basic things about fire. So we should know that fire safety is not a part of fire brigade only. It is not like that only fire brigade will see the fire safety part. It is the joint responsibility. It is a joint effort. If you call us, then and then only we go there and fight the fire. So it is not like that only fire brigade will look after this fire safety. So we will not see the history. Let us come to the actual part. So each and every person know that we know that water burns never returns. So it is not like a reversible reactions. In chemistry, we have studied that reversible reaction. Combines with each other, and sometimes that products will again react and gives reactant back. It is not like that. In case of fire, water burns, it will never returns. Okay. So for that purpose, we have to prevent fire and we have to avoid the destruction. So destruction you want, what is the meaning of destruction? Destruction, okay, in Hindi, Marathi, samhar, okay, destruction. So let us so now we know that fire, heat is essential for us, essential for our survival. So without fire, we can't live. Now the case is without fire, we can't live. Our forefathers, our ancestors were used to that time, but now without fire, we can't live. So you are listening me and I am giving a lecturate. That means it is due to energy. It is due to heat. So whatever I have taken morning, due to that, there is a energy. Okay. So without heat, without fire, it is not possible to survive. So it is also for comfort. So now in India, we use this AC for cooling purpose. But outstation, outdoor, in foreign countries, temperature below 0 degree centigrade, what do there? We use this AC for heating purpose. Okay. So for comfort, next. For development. So let us see the history from our ancestor to this era. Okay. Then for prosperity, that is why fire is adorable. Fire is adorable. So whenever fire is adorable. So whenever we enter a new home, a new flat, before that we are praying this fire god. We are praying this fire god, Hom Havan. We are doing some Hom Havan. So these are some lines which are extracted from Rig Veda. Okay. O Agni, help us to gain prosperity by leading us on the righteous path. You know all our thoughts and actions. Redeem us from all our sins and evil ways. We bow before you with gratitude. Next. These are the lines from Rig Veda. If anybody wants in Hindi, हे अग्निदेव विचारवान व्यक्ति आपका वरण करते हैं, अनादिकाल से ही मानव जाति के लिए आपकी ज्योति प्रकाशित है, आपका प्रकाश आश्रम के ज्ञानवान ऋषि में उत्पन्न होता है, यज्ञ में ही आपका प्रज्वलित स्वरूप प्रकट होता है, उस समय सभी मनुष्य आपको नमन वंदन करते हैं. ओके. So that means without fire we can't live. But if that fire is in our hand, if we have control on fire, it is a best friend. It is our best friend. But if it is out of control, then what would happen? It is an enemy. It is an enemy. So fire also leads to destruction, then devastation, then distress, apada. Next, distress, okay, apada, dukh, klesh. So whenever there is a fire in our kitchen, in our company, okay, in our establishment, what would happen? Then there will be all these things. What happens? Art, architecture and abode destroyed. Okay. So whenever there is a fire in a historical building, what would happen? That history will be wiped out. Okay. Then unbearable loss of lives. No one can say, no any owner can say, why you are crying? I'll pay this 5 crores, 10 crores. Okay. It is not like that. So it is a unbearable loss of lives. Then history wiped out. Okay, next, then stunned human progress and prosperity. So whenever there is a fire again and again in your company, in your establishment, then there will be no any prosperity. Next, now some of the historical fires, there are too many. First historical fire is bombing here and there. First World War, 1914 to 1918. Then Hiroshima, Nagasaki. Do you remember 1939 to 1945? Then one up big fire at Mumbai, okay, this 14 April 1944 in Mumbai. So from that day, every 40 April, every year 14th April is celebrated as a fire service day. Because what happened on that day, thousands of people lost lives, including 66 brave firefighters. So on that day, what happens? The ship was, that was the era of Second World War, and ship was, SS Fort Sticking ship was about to reach Mumbai port, and suddenly one after another, a monstrous explosions happened. And on that day, on 14 April 1944, about 66 brave firefighters, including Mumbai Fire Brigade, Mumbai porters, lost their lives. And total 1 kilometer area was stunned due to this explosion. So since that day, Government of India declared this 14 April, every 14 April will be celebrated as a fire service day. And from that day, that week will be celebrated as a fire service week. So in that fire service week, each and every fire brigade around the India, in India, goes to the public assembly places, schools, colleges, and give some fire safety awareness program. Okay? So if you want, then it is free of charge during this week, 14 April to 20th April, this year also. Okay? Now, forget about science. Forget about science. I will teach you science afterwards. But if you know the spelling of fire, then you will come to know what are the factors behind fire and what to do when there is a fire.